Experiencing issues with your Rogers mobile hotspot? This video will guide you through troubleshooting common problems related to tethering, APN settings, and plan limitations. There are a few reasons why this may be happening. First, software issues. Ensure your device runs the latest iOS 18.2 or later or Android version 15. Rogers rolled out a network update in Q3 2025 that addressed hotspot disconnections for 80% of affected users. Second, incorrect APN access point name settings can block hotspot activation. Rogers' default APN is internet.com for most plans. You can manually enter or reset APN via device settings. Third, unlimited plans often deprioritize hotspot data after a certain amount of usage, leading to slower speeds or throttling. Finally, tethering may not be activated in your settings. Enable hotspot in settings, personal hotspot, and verify no VPN or firewall interference. We'll cover these fixes step by step. First, enable your hotspot by going to Settings, then Personal Hotspot, and ensure no VPN or firewall is interfering. Recent Rogers app updates include diagnostics for tethering failures. Second, verify your APN settings. Incorrect APN settings, often occurring after SIM swaps or international travel, prevent data flow. Navigate to Network Settings, delete any incorrect APNs, and add the correct one, internet.com. Third, check your data plan in the Rogers app to ensure you haven't exceeded your hotspot data limit. Exceeding limits triggers throttling, with speeds dropping to 1 to 2 megabps. Rogers offers Hotspot Boost add-ons for up to 50 gigabytes of priority data. If issues persist, restarting your device, checking signal strength, and resetting network settings are also effective. Finally, if all else fails, contact Rogers support.